Want to compress large video without losing quality? If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the link in description and pin comment to compress videos without losing quality. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to compress video without losing quality. Folks, compressing video files can help us in many ways. Firstly, we save so much space on our drives. Secondly, if you are uploading or sharing large video files, it can be done faster, and in many cases, playback can be smoother as well. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video and know how to compress video without losing quality. And for this, we will be using Wondershare AnySmall. This is a professional HD multimedia file compressor which provides the most comprehensive video and audio compression solutions. Wondershare AnySmall supports batch compression, supports more than 1000 plus video and audio formats with high definition lossless compression, along with personalized settings to compress videos. The best thing, we can compress videos in just 3 simple steps. Import video to AnySmall, specify your own compression needs, and then compress it. Cool, that's so easy. Let's try AnySmall, and for that click on try it free to start downloading. Once Wondershare AnySmall free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on it to open Wondershare AnySmall. See, here we have Wondershare AnySmall. So clean and simple UI. Now let's know how to use Wondershare AnySmall to compress video file. Click on add files. This opens Windows File Picker. Browse through to pick a video file that you want to compress. Let's compress this video. Selected it and it will get imported. Here you can see video's original size, which is 56.19 MB, and after compression it will be 39.33 MB with the default settings. Now here comes AnySmall custom settings which are available on right side. We can change file quality. Firstly, let's change it to high. This will ensure lossless compression is performed and there is no loss in video quality. Next we have expected file size percentage. We can lower it down till 30%. After that, we see that compressed file will be of size 16.86 MB. Well, that's great work, but what if we want even lower size? Well, we can also specify a file size that we want. Click on this and now we can enter the file size we want, 10 or maybe just 5 MB. Wow, that's fantastic. Well, we can also use these advanced settings like video encoder, resolution, frame rate, and many more. Next, from this drop down list, we can also choose a video format. Let's not change it. Well, you can choose any of them if you want to compress video file to another format. We can also select location where we want to save compressed video file. Select it same as source folder. And from here we can also give a name to compressed video file, changing it to compressed file. After we are ready, simply click on start all and it will start compressing video file. Once done, we will see successful in front of the video file. Now let's check out our compressed video and see, here we have it. We have reduced file size from 56 MB to just 5 MB. Here you can see both files running, no loss in video quality. Fantastic work from Wondershare AnySmall. See, we can also compress video without losing quality using Wondershare AnySmall. I will highly recommend you to try it out, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. Now you may ask, is Wondershare AnySmall free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's check out Wondershare AnySmall pricing plans. Now we are back on official website. Here are different pricing plans for Wondershare AnySmall. You can choose as per your requirement. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today we are going to talk about the latest update to best video converter software from Wondershare, which is much more than a video converter. जब आपके 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स और 4K वॉच आवर्स कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं तो आप उसके बाद मोनेटाइजेशन के लिए अप्लाई कैसे करें।